Welcome back. Today, we embark on an exciting journey into the enchanting realm of AI-generated artwork. Let's commence our adventure by launching your web browser and navigating to bing.com. Enter the terms AI Image Creator into the search bar and hit enter. Choose the top link that appears. You'll be greeted by an intuitive interface. Input your desired imagery or theme into the search field and click Generate. Allow a moment for the magic to unfold. Once complete, you'll be greeted with captivating visuals akin to those showcased here. Explore these masterpieces and refine your original concept as desired. You hold full control over these adjustments, as demonstrated. Again, click on Create button and preview your images. Downloading your preferred images is a breeze just a click away. Crafting AI art is truly this uncomplicated. If you're new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe and enable notifications for our latest updates. Thank you for joining us on this fascinating journey.